Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a vegan bean wrap tutorial. So first I'm adding some salt, some black pepper, some garlic powder or garlic granules, some paprika, and some cayenne pepper for a little extra spice. You can actually add whatever spices you like. You can add a little bit more or a little bit less, it's up to you. I'll be using some fresh coriander as it adds a lot of flavour. Then I'm adding my kidney beans. I added approximately half a can, so it was about 200 grams before drained. Then I'm just pulsing everything together using a stick blender. Just try not to overblend. We want the mixture to hold its shape once we take it out of the bowl so that it's not too difficult to handle. So once you have combined the ingredients together, you want to add a little bit of oil to a pan and pan fry the patties on each side for approximately 3 minutes. As you can see, the patty has been cooking for about 3 minutes, so you just want to gently turn it over and cook for another 3 minutes. This is just so that it holds the shape whilst it's in the wrap. Then you want to get all your salad ingredients and your tortilla wrap and combine all your ingredients together. You can add some salsa if you require a sauce, or you can add some hummus. Both of them are suitable for vegans, so I would recommend those two. I'm leaving mine plain as I have a lot of salad and I'm using quite thick tomatoes to add some moisture to the wrap. Then if you want to toast your wrap, you can add a tiny bit of oil to the pan and toast them that way, but I decided to use the George Foreman just because I prefer it. And yeah, basically the wrap is literally ready to serve, and this is what it should look like when it is done. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and let me know what you want to see next time. Thank you, bye.